Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see your old bios on Instagram. So let's get right into it. So now if you want to see your old bios on Instagram, what you have to do is open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the profile icon, you have to tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on the fourth option, your activity. And after tapping on your activity, if you scroll down, inside how you use Instagram, you will find account history. You just have to tap on that. And after tapping on account history, in the top you will find newest to oldest, all dates, and update type. You just have to change those. The first option, you have to change that option to oldest to newest. And you have to change the third option, update type. Now you have to update it to bio and then apply it. And after applying that, you will find all the bios on your Instagram account. So now if you want to see those bios, what you can do is just select a bio that you would like, and after selecting a bio, here you can see you have successfully accessed your bio, and after tapping on that bio you can see your bio. So this is how to see your old bios on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.